Are you good to go?
I found this old protocol voice. This will help us out. Did you find Sanchez?
His portal gun left a signature behind when they killed an emergency alert message transcriber. I have positive lock on him. We are not being traced.
Let us proceed then. He is the final key to unlocking the secrets to controlling space and time.
How did you find me?
Rick Sanchez. You think you're the only one who can travel the multiverse. Give me the key now.
Nope. Go back to wrecking your own dimension.
So you know who I am. Very well. Let's take a trip to my dimension. You'll change your mind when you see what happens to those who dare to defy me.
Atlantean Transport 1 to United Order Command. Inbound with 1, reaching dimensional convergence now.
No response. And there are multiple contacts on radar.
I'm free! And now, you're finished! I control the darkness!
We need to get the hell out of here.
Fools! I have the power now! Ha 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 ha!
Pretty cool, yeah? Check out who else is here.
You will die!
Donnie, where are you?
Joe, you crazy good weird dad.
Joe, I told you not to touch my desk.
I have returned. You cannot stop me.
Who are you working for?
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United Order. Multiple supernatural entities have appeared from different dimensions. The broadcaster has returned. I repeat, the broadcaster has returned.
Hello there. I have returned. But now I am leaving. You all have been lovely test subjects. I'm leaving you with one final warning. Consider it a gift. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the broadcaster. All United Order craft will shut down immediately. All troops will return home. Residents should shelter in place. The lottery will be randomly drawn every day. If you are picked, you must report to the nearest military installation. You will be sent to a camp where supernatural entities will decide your fate. If you can leave the dimension, go ahead. If not, then you are under their control. Martial law is now in permanent effect. Residents who do not comply will be terminated in the spot without prejudice. I'm going home, Rick. You can either give me what I need, or you can die after I kill your family.
Okay. You win. Here's the key.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. An unidentified source has confirmed the existence of a multidimensional being known as the broadcaster to the United States government. The broadcaster is responsible for the destruction of countless dimensions across space and time. At this time, there is no credible threat against our planet or our nation. However, residents should keep aware of suspicious incidents that may arise involving alien entities, supernatural creatures, and the appearance of historical figures from other timelines. Once these Nexus events begin, the broadcaster will make his entrance into our dimension before creating cataclysmic destruction. An emergency action notification message will be used if a national emergency is declared. Residents should tune into local radio stations and news media outlets for getting on surviving these events.